wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. This is the Arabic class, and this is the first lesson at Darsul Awwal. Under the Darsul Awwal, these are the things we'll be learning. We have we have to recognize basic Arabic words. We have some basic Arabic, like some vocabulary under this chapter, in which we are going to learn first. After that, we practice reading with correct pronunciation, and lastly, we understand the meaning in English. Now, let's firstly take some vocabulary that under this chapter. We have al-baytu, the house. Al-baytu, the house. Al-masjidu, the mosque. Al-babu, the door. Al-maktabu, the desk, like writing table. Al-kitabu, the book. Al-qalamu, the pen. All of this vocabulary, you need to memorize them properly and with their meanings. Then we quickly move to some important rule in Arabic. Said in Arabic, every Arabic word shown here is a noun, which means like noun in Arabic is called ismu. Al-ismu in Arabic we call noun ismu. And then all words end with Dhamma. Everyone, I think you know Dhamma. We have Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma. He said Dhamma, nominative case. And also we have example like Al-Baytu, the house. Then gradually we move to the pronunciation. Everyone, please practice this as you are listening to this video. Practice this. You repeat after me. Al-Baytu. Repeat it again. Al-Baytu. Then move to Al-Masjidu. Again, Al-Masjidu. Then lastly we have Al-Kitabu. Say it again. Al-Kitabu. Here you have to read this with the correct vowel sounds. The fatha, the kasra, the duma. Don't replace another with each one. Now, under the chapter 1, we are learning about hada. We will learn about hada. We have hada. We have hada. Now, hada, we also will learn about ma hada, and lastly we learn man hada. The word hada only means this. This is. Ma hada means what is this? And man hada with the noun. Noun sukun means who is this? You have to know the difference between ma and man. Ma with alif mad is what? Man with sukun is who. Now look at this example here. We have hada. You can see the correct pronunciation in English. Hada. Hada. It means this, and it's for masculine object or persons. Like if you want to refer to the masculine, use hada. For the feminine, we have what we use for it. Like this for the feminine, we have another word for it. But masculine, it is hada. Then ma, mim fatha alif mad ma means what? Man means who. Ma hada means what is this, and man hada means who is this. Then we have some objects. We have kitabun. If you want to refer to kitabun, you want to say this is a book. You say hada kitabun. This is a book. Hada kitabun. This is a book. Then this one is hada qalamun. Qalamun. This is a pen. Then we have hada babun. This is a door. You try to practice those. Then if it is for objects, the one we said we refer to with ma, we use ma to refer to an object. Then we use man to refer to a human being or a living thing. You see ma hada, what is this? Then you say hada kitabu. This is a book. Ma hada, what is this? Hada qalamun. This is a pen. Ma hada, what is this? Hada kursiyun. This is a chair. If it's for people, we use man. We use ma for object, we use man for people. Then you say man hada, who is this? Hada mudarrisun, this is a teacher. Man hada, who is this? Hada talibun, this is a student. Man hada, who is this? Hada rajulun, this is a man. That's how to do it. Then you practice this. You see practice activity, you say it. Ma hada kitabun. Man hada rajulun. You practice this. Then you can also like use some other vocabulary to practice it also. Then you do this at home also. You try to write this, match like you match the Arabic word to the correct English meaning. You try to do so. Now, lastly, we have learned six new Arabic words. The first, the first vocabulary we learn, then you should practice them aloud 3 times at home. Next is that you use these words inside short sentences like ma hada qalamun, hada kursiyun, or you still use it in ma hada, what is this? Hada qalam, this is a pen. For objects like a thing. Then if it's for people, we said man hada, who is this? Hada Abdullah, this is Abdullah. And then that's all for the chapter 1.